Here are 10 surprising facts about raccoons that few people know. Skilled hands. Raccoons have incredibly dexterous hands, each with 5 fingers that function almost like human hands. This anatomical structure gives them an exceptional ability to perform complex tasks that few animals can manage. They can open locks, twist doorknobs, unscrew jar lids, and even untie knots with surprising precision. Additionally, their sensitive paws are covered with a thin layer of fur, which provides them with acute tactile sensitivity, allowing them to identify textures and handle objects in the dark with ease. This manual skill not only helps them in foraging for food, but is also crucial for their survival in urban environments, where they often need to overcome obstacles created by humans. Remarkable memory. Raccoons have an impressive memory capable of storing information for long periods, allowing them to remember solutions to complex problems for up to 3 years. This ability is one of the most fascinating aspects of their intelligence, standing out among mammals. Thanks to this exceptional memory, raccoons can recall where they hid food, recognize patterns in their environment, and avoid traps they encountered previously. This capacity to retain and apply acquired knowledge makes them extremely adaptable, enabling them to thrive in a variety of environments, from dense forests to urban areas. In urban settings, for instance, they quickly learn to open trash cans and access food sources, and once they master this technique, they remember it and use it repeatedly. Their memory also facilitates navigation in vast and complex territories, helping them find safe and efficient routes to essential resources. This not only highlights their adaptability, but also a form of intelligence that allows them to evolve in response to the constant changes in their habitats. Name origin. The name raccoon has a rich and culturally significant origin, derived from the Algonquian term Raccoon, which means he who scratches or scrubs. This term is deeply rooted in observations made by Native American peoples who noted the animal's curious behavior of rubbing or wetting its food with its paws before consuming it. This habit, which may seem strange or even ritualistic to modern observers, was a distinctive behavior enough to directly influence the naming of the animal. The origin of the name not only reflects the indigenous people's connection with nature and their ability to observe the details of wildlife, but also gives us insight into how animal behavior can shape language. This act of rubbing or washing food is actually a reflection of the raccoon's tactile sensitivity, as moistening the food enhances their perception through their highly sensitive paws. Although it's not true washing, as many believe, this peculiar behavior was striking enough to be immortalized in the animal's name, a word that we still carry today in various languages and cultures. Furthermore, this etymological origin reveals how raccoons were perceived and understood by native cultures, which had a profound understanding of the ecosystems they lived in. The name Raccoon and its transformation over time into the modern term raccoon stand as a testament to the enduring interaction between humans and wildlife, a bond that continues to fascinate and inspire humanity. Enhanced night vision. Raccoons have exceptional night vision, a crucial trait for their survival, as they are nocturnal animals by nature. This visual ability allows them to hunt, forage, and move with agility under the cover of darkness when most predators and prey are less active. The key to this impressive ability to see in low-light conditions lies in the unique structure of their eyes, specifically a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. The tapetum lucidum functions like an internal mirror, reflecting the light that enters the eyes and allowing the retina a second chance to capture this light. This mechanism not only increases the amount of light available to form an image, but also enhances detail perception in dark environments. As a result, raccoons can detect even the smallest movements and changes in their surroundings, giving them a significant advantage during their nighttime foraging. This enhanced night vision also contributes to their ability to adapt to various habitats, including dense forests, suburban areas, and even large cities, where artificial lighting creates a constant twilight environment. In urban settings, for example, the ability to see well at night allows them to navigate through shadows, avoid predators, and find hidden food sources in trash cans or dimly lit alleys. Additionally, the tapetum lucidum is responsible for the characteristic shine in raccoons' eyes when illuminated by car headlights or flashlights, a visual effect that often startles those who observe them at night. This evolutionary adaptation not only provides them with sharper vision, but also contributes to the mysterious and almost enigmatic image raccoons have in popular culture, as cunning and nocturnal creatures capable of surviving and thriving in the shadows. To wash or not to wash? While the image of the raccoon carefully washing its food before eating is widely propagated, especially in cultural representations and media, this practice is actually a myth. The belief that raccoons perform a rigorous washing ritual arose from observations of their natural behavior near water sources. When they find food close to rivers, lakes, or puddles, they often wet it before consuming it. However, this does not mean they are genuinely washing the food as we humans understand the concept of hygiene. This behavior is more a matter of habit and instinct than a concern for cleanliness. Raccoons have extremely sensitive paws equipped with tactile receptors that allow them to explore and examine textures and shapes with great precision. When they wet the food, the water can help enhance these tactile sensations, allowing them to better assess what they are about to eat. This behavior is thus more a form of sensory exploration than an attempt to remove dirt or impurities. Interestingly, in environments where water is not readily available, raccoons consume food directly, without any prior washing. This reinforces the idea that the act of wetting the food is situational and not a biological necessity. Moreover, the behavior can vary depending on water availability and the type of food found. For instance, when capturing live prey or finding particularly juicy food, they may not feel the need to wet it. The perpetuation of this myth may be linked to our human tendency to anthropomorphize animals, attributing behaviors that resemble our own to them. The image of the raccoon as a clean and meticulous animal that washes its food before eating might be one such projection, making it even more fascinating and mysterious in our eyes. However, understanding the true reason behind this behavior offers a more accurate and rich view of the raccoon world, revealing how they interact with their environment in an intelligent and adaptive manner. Sophisticated communicators. Raccoons are masters of communication, possessing a surprisingly varied and complex vocal repertoire. With over 50 different sounds in their arsenal, these small mammals can express a wide range of emotions, needs, and intentions. What makes this ability even more impressive is that these sounds are not just simple noises. They have specific meanings and are used deliberately in different social and environmental contexts. Among the sounds raccoons produce are high-pitched whines, deep grunts, growls, whistles, and even a peculiar sound that resembles a laugh. Each of these sounds has a specific function in raccoon communication. For example, high-pitched whines may be used as warning signals to alert other members of the group about potential threats, while grunts and growls are more common in conflict situations or territorial defense. The laugh-like sound, on the other hand, may be a form of communication during play or more friendly social interactions. In addition to vocal sounds, raccoons also use a variety of nonverbal signals to communicate. Body movements, such as tail wagging, lifting of the front paws, or body posture, complement vocal communication and help convey messages more clearly and effectively. These combined signals allow raccoons to express themselves in a sophisticated manner, whether coordinating group activities such as foraging or establishing social hierarchies within their communities. The complexity of raccoon vocal repertoire reflects their intricate social life. Although they are often seen as solitary animals, raccoons actually maintain a flexible social structure where communication plays a crucial role. They need to interact effectively with both their partners and offspring, as well as with other individuals who may represent a threat or an opportunity for cooperation. This communication skill is also vital for raising offspring. Mother raccoons use different sounds to attract their young, calm them, or guide them as they explore the world around them. The young, in turn, quickly learn to recognize and respond to these sounds, developing their own vocal skills as they grow. In urban environments, where raccoons often interact with other animals and humans, their communication ability becomes even more important. They may adapt their sounds to avoid conflicts or manipulate their environment effectively, demonstrating remarkable intelligence that allows them to thrive even in challenging scenarios. This sophistication in raccoon communication shows that, despite their small size and adorable appearance, they possess a highly developed social interaction system that continues to surprise and fascinate biologists and nature observers. Nearly blind at birth, raccoon babies enter the world in a state of extreme vulnerability, being born completely blind and helpless. During the first few days of life, they rely entirely on their mothers to meet all their needs, from protection against predators to obtaining food. The tiny raccoons remain sheltered in safe nests, typically located in tree cavities or hidden spots, where the mother keeps them warm and protected. During this initial period, their primary connection to the outside world is through touch and smell, senses that are relatively developed at birth and help them navigate the nest and find their mother's milk. The opening of their eyes, which occurs between 18 to 24 days after birth, marks a crucial moment in the development of the babies. This is the first step toward a life of greater independence and exploration. When they finally gain sight, the world that was previously perceived only through smells and tactile sensations is revealed in all its complexity. This period of transition is accompanied by increased mobility and curiosity, as the young raccoons begin to venture out of the nest under their mother's watchful eye. The delayed development of eyesight in raccoon infants highlights the crucial role of maternal care during the early stages of life. The mother's constant attention ensures the survival and growth of her young, providing them with warmth, nourishment, and protection until they are ready to face the world on their own. The nurturing environment created by the mother allows the babies to develop gradually and safely, preparing them for the challenges of life outside the nest. The growth and development of raccoon young are not only influenced by their immediate physical needs, but also by the social and environmental factors that shape their learning experiences. As they start to explore their surroundings, they learn essential skills for survival, such as foraging and climbing, through observation and practice. The early period of blindness and dependence gradually gives way to a more self-sufficient and capable raccoon as they mature, demonstrating the resilience and adaptability of these fascinating creatures. Cunning problem solvers. Raccoons are known for their remarkable problem-solving abilities, which have earned them a reputation as one of the most intelligent animals. Their skills in overcoming obstacles are not merely a result of their physical dexterity, but also a reflection of their cognitive prowess. Studies and observations have shown that raccoons can tackle a variety of complex challenges, demonstrating an impressive ability to adapt and find solutions. One notable aspect of raccoons' problem-solving skills is their ability to remember solutions to tasks for extended periods. Research has revealed that raccoons can recall how to solve a problem for up to 3 years, which is a testament to their exceptional memory and learning capacity. This long-term memory allows them to navigate complex environments, such as urban areas or dense forests, and to use previously learned strategies to access food or avoid dangers. In experiments, raccoons have shown an aptitude for understanding cause and effect relationships and using trial-and-error methods to achieve their goals. They can manipulate objects, open containers, and perform intricate tasks with surprising efficiency. This problem-solving ability is not only a result of their physical dexterity, but also their cognitive flexibility and curiosity. Raccoons are known to experiment with different approaches until they find a solution, displaying an adaptive and innovative mindset. Their intelligence extends beyond simple tasks. Raccoons can also exhibit complex behaviors such as planning, strategizing, and even using tools in certain situations. In urban environments, for instance, they have been observed using various methods to access food from garbage cans or bird feeders, showcasing their ability to adapt to human-made challenges. Overall, the problem-solving skills of raccoons highlight their cognitive sophistication and adaptability. Their ability to learn, remember, and apply solutions to new problems underscores their status as one of the most intelligent and resourceful animals in the animal kingdom. Albino and melanistic raccoons. Although these are quite rare phenomena, both albino and melanistic raccoons offer a fascinating glimpse into the genetic variations that can occur within the species. These raccoons exhibit unusual visual characteristics due to specific genetic mutations that affect skin and fur pigmentation. Albino raccoons are notable for their completely white fur and the absence of pigmentation in their skin and eyes. This albinism results from a deficiency in the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for coloring the skin, fur, and eyes. Albinos can have a quite distinctive appearance, with red or pink eyes due to the lack of pigment that usually gives color to the irises. This condition does not directly affect the raccoon's health or abilities, but it can make them more vulnerable to predators and harsh environmental conditions, as camouflage is less effective in hiding from threats. Additionally, the lack of pigment can increase sensitivity to sunlight and skin problems. On the other hand, melanistic raccoons have completely black coloration, resulting from an excessive production of melanin. This condition gives the animals a uniform and dark coat, which can range from deep black to very dark brown, depending on the amount of pigment. Melanism is an interesting adaptation that can provide camouflage benefits in nocturnal or densely shaded environments, where the dark fur can help them blend with their surroundings and avoid predators. Although melanistic raccoons are visually striking and rare, there is no evidence that this condition has a significant negative impact on their health or natural abilities. Both albinism and melanism are results of naturally occurring genetic variations and demonstrate the incredible diversity within the raccoon species. These conditions can sporadically occur in wild populations and are occasionally observed in captivity, where raccoons are often more closely monitored and studied. The study of these rare individuals provides valuable insights into the genetics and biology of the species, as well as highlighting how small genetic changes can create striking variations in appearance and behavior. In addition to their unique physical characteristics, albino and melanistic raccoons also contribute to our understanding of evolution and adaptation. They illustrate how genetics can influence species diversity and how these variations can impact animals' interactions with their environment and other individuals. The presence of these rare raccoons in studies and observations offers an opportunity to deepen our knowledge of the mechanisms that generate such variations and the role of natural selection in preserving specific traits within the population. Varied diets. Raccoons are opportunistic omnivores, known for their incredibly diverse and adaptable diet. Their diet encompasses a wide range of items, reflecting their ability to adapt to different environments and food sources. These animals are famous for their dietary flexibility, allowing them to explore a vast array of foods, from fruits, nuts, and seeds to insects, worms, and small vertebrates like rodents and amphibians. In urban areas, their food repertoire expands even further to include food scraps, human garbage, and even compounds found in residential areas, such as food waste in trash cans and dumps. The diversity in raccoon diets is driven by their opportunistic behavior, meaning they take advantage of any available and accessible food resources in their environment. This dietary adaptability is crucial for their survival, especially in varied habitats, ranging from forests and rural areas to densely populated urban zones. In forests, they may feed on wild fruits, insects, and small animals found on the ground or in trees. In urban areas, where food can be more abundant and varied due to human activity, raccoons often scavenge through trash bins and are known for their skills in opening containers and finding food in unusual places. The varied palette of raccoons is one of their key adaptations for surviving in different types of habitats. Their ability to consume a wide variety of foods not only provides them with the necessary nutrition, but also reduces competition for resources, as they are not restricted to a specific type of food. This dietary adaptability is particularly useful during times of scarcity or environmental change, allowing them to adjust their diets according to resource availability. In addition to their ability to consume and process various types of food, raccoons also demonstrate remarkable foraging skills. They use their dexterous and sensitive paws to manipulate and examine food, which is especially useful when dealing with complex or difficult-to-access items like spiky fruits or food packaged in resistant materials. This foraging and exploration capability is one reason why raccoons are so successful at adapting to different environments and living conditions. The very diet of raccoons is not only a dietary adaptation, but also a survival strategy that allows them to thrive in a wide range of ecosystems. Their ability to adapt and explore new food resources demonstrates the flexibility and ingenuity of these animals, who find ways to feed and thrive regardless of the conditions and challenges they face in their natural or urban environments. This diverse diet also reflects the dynamic interaction between raccoons and the world around them, showing how dietary adaptation can influence and shape wildlife. Urban life. Raccoons are incredibly adaptable to urban life, demonstrating a remarkable ability to thrive in densely populated human environments. This success in urban areas is largely attributed to their ability to explore and benefit from food resources that are often overlooked or discarded by us. In cities and metropolitan areas, raccoons take advantage of a wide range of food sources beyond what they would find in their natural habitat. One of the main attractions for raccoons in cities is the availability of food in trash cans, waste dumps, and recycling areas. They have developed impressive techniques for accessing food in closed containers, using their agile and intelligent paws to open cans and bags. They are observed to be capable of manipulating different types of packaging and even opening complex containers, a behavior that illustrates their adaptability and ingenuity. This skill not only provides them with a reliable food source, but also minimizes competition with other animals for food resources. In addition to scavenging through trash, raccoons also benefit from food available in residential areas, such as leftovers from meals left in yards, gardens, and even inside houses. They are often attracted to organic waste compounds, such as fruit and vegetable scraps, commonly found in home composting. This ability to explore varied and often unpredictable food sources allows raccoons to quickly adjust to changes in food availability. Urban life also provides opportunities for raccoons to hide and protect themselves from predators. They are known to take refuge in attics, garages, and basements of buildings, where they find a relatively safe and protected environment. These areas not only provide shelter, but also strategic spots for storing and consuming found food. Raccoons utilize the urban structure to build their nests and hideouts, often using spaces that would be inaccessible in natural environments. Interaction with humans, although it can often lead to conflicts, also offers advantages. Raccoons have become accustomed to human presence and have learned to coexist in urban areas, developing behaviors that minimize the risk of negative encounters. They have become adept at avoiding traps and control methods designed to keep them away, such as repellents and traps, demonstrating their intelligence and adaptability. However, urban life also brings challenges for raccoons. Exposure to dangers such as vehicles, diseases associated with garbage, and competition with other urban animals can impact their health and safety. Additionally, reliance on food found in trash may affect the diet and overall health of raccoons, leading to a range of nutritional and health issues. Despite these challenges, raccoons continue to thrive in cities, illustrating the remarkable flexibility and adaptability of these animals. Their ability to utilize and modify their behavior in response to urban conditions demonstrates how wildlife can adjust and thrive in new and varied environments, revealing the complexity of the interaction between animal species and human development. Curious to explore more about how raccoons adapt to urban life? Subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to not miss our upcoming videos on the incredible adaptability of animals in urban environments and much more. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. Comment below with your questions or experiences about how wildlife interacts with cities. Let's discover the fascinating secrets of the animal world together.